Okay, so yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another command block tutorial on the channel. What is going on? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. Today's video, I am showing you guys a pretty requested video. I am showing you guys a /home and /sethome command. Yes, I am. I've been waiting really long to do this command, and here it is for you boys. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please leave a like down below because it really helps me out. Also, if you guys are brand new, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the subscribe button because apparently, like, really low percentage of you boys aren't subscribed right now. So if you guys are watching this, hit the subscribe button because why not? So yeah, this is a /home and /sethome. I'm going to use the /home right now. As you guys can see, is going to TP me, or well, actually it's going to TP me to the end. By the way, you guys do have to be in survival for some of these features in the command to work, like just a couple of them though. You guys will see why in a minute. So if I set my home to over here, which you guys can see where it is, it's just pretty far away. I'll actually do /home now, which is going to TP me back to this, which is going to actually use the end, which, you know, that's okay though. It's not that bad. It's not that bad, boys. You guys can deal with it, right? Alright, yeah, so I'm going to go through the end portal, and as you guys can see, when I come back, I am in the exact same spot that I set my home as, not over there where I got TP'd the first time. It works. Well, I know it looks kind of intimidating, but trust me, it's not that hard. By the way, using control click, like copying commands with the commands already in them, is going to help you guys out a lot when doing this. It's going to save you guys about like 10 minutes or so. So for the /home command, this one's pretty easy. What you guys want to do is grab a repeating block and make sure the arrow is pointing away from, or just make it pointing right or left. It doesn't matter which way it's pointing, honestly. And then put down a comparator and then an impulse block that is pointing away from that repeating block right there. And then put down 2 repeaters, which these repeaters are on the last tick. Put down another impulse block that is pointing, well, or actually pointing towards that repeating block right there. 2 more repeaters, and then the exact same thing as that one right there. 2 more repeaters, same thing. 2 more repeaters, and 1 repeater with an impulse block pointing towards the right of everything. And then 1 more repeater, and then impulse block, and then a chain block on top of each other. Okay, so hopefully the way I'm going through this is helpful. Oh, I just went through that pretty quickly. I didn't go through the commands though. I just told you guys how to set up this little line right here. Make sure you guys get this set up. You guys can really just go through it as I go through it like this. Alright, so in the first repeating block you guys put down, what you guys want to do is test for @entity type equals name /home, which is just testing for like the actual /home piece of paper. Next, what you guys want to do after this comparator is inside of this impulse block right here. This is execute @entity title @player radius equals 5 action bar teleporting in 5. If you guys want to know how to do these colors, it's pretty simple. You guys just do these little double S's and then a 6 to make it yellow, and then L to make it like white and like Minecraft texty looking, and then F just make something white. So yeah, there you guys go. That is the first impulse block right there. And then after your 2 repeaters, you're going to go into this one. And by the way, you guys can just literally copy this command block right here and just put it down right here. That is for every single one of these impulse blocks all the way up to the last 2. So yeah, copy this command inside of this one. All you guys are going to do is just change the number 5 to a number 4, and then after these 2 repeaters, it's the same thing, just 3, and then same thing, 2, and then the same thing, and then this last one is just 1 inside of there. Okay, so yeah, that's after you guys got that, you guys are good. What you guys want to do is go into this impulse block that is pointing towards the right. This is literally the same command as this one. You guys are just getting rid of the numbers at the end and just doing teleporting. So yeah, it's the same thing as all these other ones. It's just no numbers at the end. Next, what you guys want to do is put down another repeater, or after your last repeater, and then these 2 command blocks right here inside of this impulse block. This is going to be teleporting the person that actually throws down the home into the bedrock box over there to the end, basically. Next, what you guys want to do is go into this chain block. This is chain conditional, always active, and this is just killing the actual piece of paper. So yeah, once you guys got that done, you guys are done. You just throw it down, test it out. By the way, you guys do have to be in survival for like most of the things to work. But so we're gonna be moving on to the /sethome one. What you guys want to do is literally set up the exact same thing that you guys just set up. What you guys want to do is put a repeating block, just point it down, doesn't matter which way it's pointing, comparator, and then another impulse block, doesn't matter which way it's pointing. Put down 2 repeaters, last tick, an impulse block that's pointing towards the repeater, same thing again. 2 repeaters, last tick, and then impulse block pointing that way. 2 repeaters, impulse block, 2 repeaters, impulse block, and then 1 repeater, and then an impulse block, 1 repeater, 2 impulse blocks on the top of each other, and then another repeater, and then, you know, the last impulse block. So these are just all impulse blocks except for the first one, which is a repeater. But we're going to be going into the first command block, which is a repeating command block pointing up. Inside of here, what you guys want to do is literally just copy this command block right here and just change the /home to /sethome. By the way, this is repeat, unconditional, always active. So after that, you guys want to go after this comparator right here into this one, and this one is the exact same thing as this one right here. Instead of teleporting in 5, it is actually setting home 5. So just go through, change the teleporting to setting home, and then go over the exact same thing as these ones. Just copy, and here it is just setting home instead of teleporting, and then just go through, change the numbers, same thing, and then the number change to 3. Same thing, and then 2. Alright, so after this last one right here that actually has 1 in the command, you guys just want to put down another repeater, and then this is the first impulse block that is like after this first repeater right here. This is the same thing as this command in here, teleporting, but instead it is actually setting home. So just copy this command block over to the right side, change the teleporting to setting home. After your last impulse block that is actually have to do with like teleporting, you guys want to put down another repeater with the last tick. On here, on these two like impulse blocks right here, you guys want to go into the bottom one. In here, it is execute at entity, type equals set home, and then spawn point at all. This is where like the survival mode comes into play. If you guys aren't in survival mode, then it won't set your spawn point, which I mean it makes sense though, because like mods and stuff don't really need that. So that's how you guys do the spawn point one, which is just going to be setting their spawn, and then on top of that it is actually title at player, ready is equals 5, and then survival mode action bar home set. What you guys want to do is copy this, or actually you guys can literally just copy. Okay, so actually you guys can just copy like this one right here that has the number 1 in it and just put it up here, but just change the setting home, or yeah, setting home the 5 to just home set at the end. So yeah, these commands do have a lot to do with copying commands, and just placing them down is just changing just like 2 or like 3 characters in them. So for the last setting home command block, this is literally just killing the piece of paper, and this repeater right here is on 1 tick, so you guys just want to like put one down, you guys are good. And it's just killing the slash set home, so instead of home, it is home, or slash set home, and it is not a chain block. So that is how you guys do it. That is pretty much all. Once you guys got that, you guys are good. Throw yourselves in the survival, try it out, test if your new command works. If this command helped you guys out in any of your servers, any of your worlds, or whatever, just help you out in general, leave a like down below. And also, if you guys are brand new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because boys, we're almost at 4K, and like I said at the beginning of the video, like so low percentage of you guys are like subscribed, so please just subscribe. Anyways, boys, peace out.